How to change Realme device keyboard to normal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can restore the Realme device keyboard as before or change the Realme keyboard to the normal keyboard. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to your device setting in order to switch to your default keyboard. For that, open up settings, and under settings scroll down and tap on system. Here tap on language is an input at the first option. Once you're here, under keyboard section, tap on on-screen keyboard. And here you have to choose the keyboard that you want to use. So for Realme device, Gboard or the system defaults keyboard is the Gboard. So here make sure you have turned on the toggle for Gboard. If you have chosen any other keyboard here, toggle off them and then toggle on the Gboard, which is your default keyboard, and after that your keyboard will be restored to normal. Or if you have installed any other keyboard, you have to remove that. So for that, go to the settings, and then once you're in the settings, tap on apps. Here tap on see all apps. Now from here you have to find out the app that you have installed other than your default keyboard, and then uninstall the keyboard application in order to restore your keyboard to normal. Or if in case the default keyboard is not available in your device, you can install that from the Google Play Store. So open up Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon and search for Gboard and install and set it as a default as mentioned previously. And that's the way to restore your keyboard as before or change the keyboard to normal in your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.